Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the homepage template and explore its contents. To install homepage, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide your users with a best practice homepage with personalized content and the most important items a user might need. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Pages section from Admin Home. Locate and select Homepage. This is intended to be a starting point for your own organisation. You can add to the configuration and change the layout to fit with your requirements. Under the hood, the first block on the page is a list block showing current alerts. The block has been configured with a filter to only show published alerts with the business continuity content category. Exit Edit Mode and select an item from this block. The Alert View page opens in a modal window. Underneath, you will find two content blocks, a call to action and a search box. You will then see a task list displaying any tasks awaiting your attention, as well as two rich text blocks for onboarding. These have been designed with device flexibility in mind. One has been created to only display on mobile devices. And the other works well on laptops and computers. The Journeys list block will display any journeys assigned to a user that is signed in. In this example, our user Demi Hart has been assigned the onboarding journey. A full-width, rich text block acts as a separator between the journey's content and the employee's available digital services. The digital services block takes data from the navigation model. If you don't see anything here, you may need to populate the navigation items page. Another full-width rich text block acts as a divider between your digital services and highlights content. The highlights block has been configured to only display published content. This is how the page should look for an end user. In this example, we've played with the style, language choice, and structure. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.